Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Breaking news in the automotive world, where alliances are being shaken up and new electric cars are hitting the market. Mitsubishi's got a surprise for us. They're trading in their Leaf EV for Nissan's plug-in hybrid Outlander. But that's not all, folks. This deal is exclusive to the US market for now. Imagine a scenario where you're browsing the Mitsubishi dealership, only to be offered the latest and greatest from Nissan instead. That's exactly what's happening here. The third-generation Leaf will be rebadged as an Outlander, while Nissan takes over production of the popular plug-in hybrid. And that's not just for show, folks. The platforms and tech shared between these models mean we can expect a familiar ride for both. But why is this deal so significant? Well, it gives Mitsubishi a chance to bolster its electric lineup in the US, where competition is heating up. Meanwhile, Nissan gets access to some of the latest PHEV technology, something they've been missing out on until now. And let's be honest, who doesn't love the idea of having more options when it comes to buying an eco-friendly ride? So what does this mean for the US market? For starters, it means we'll see the Outlander make its debut stateside next year. But don't get too excited just yet. Mitsubishi is holding back on some details about their own electric plans down under. It's worth noting that a new EV from Foxconn is reportedly headed our way, but we're not sure what to expect just yet. On the other hand, Nissan's got a few tricks up its sleeve. A plug-in hybrid version of the Rogue is coming in 2026, something they've been teasing for months now. And with Mitsubishi on board, that means there'll be more options than ever when it comes to finding an eco-friendly ride. So, what does this mean for the future of electric cars? Well, one thing's for sure. Alliances like these are going to keep on changing. But if you're in the market for a new ride and want something with a little less environmental impact, now might be just the time to make the switch.